Well, the macros are in focus this morning. We have the CPI report, which tells about inflation, a story about inflation, comes out this morning at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so that's, I believe, if it comes in better than expected, inflation is lower than expected, expect cryptos to have a bit of a boost. If it comes in worse than expected, you can expect the cryptos to take a beating. And I think the manipulators, the whales, the market movers, they're going to use the macro picture here, in my opinion, to make a move and push cryptos lower so they can acquire more. So in either event, if you look at where we are right now, this is XRP, because this is one I'm heavily trading or watching as well. If you look at XRP, it's had quite a run up. Right now we're off its local highs. We got up to like 86, 80, or 288, 286, 290-ish. It pushed back down. It's kind of consolidating. There's a bit of a retracement here and some consolidation going on. But there's an opportunity, if that inflation report comes out as expected, I still think the whales and the manipulators are going to use the macros to say, look, we still have a lot of inflation, and push it down a bit. But there's going to be a lot of volatility in any event. Yesterday, if you watched yesterday's show here, I talked about this wedge, and I said, look, if we can just break out of here, we're going to go upwards. And look what happened. So we broke out. Where's my measuring? So we broke out right around here, and it went up. What is that? Another 8.5 or 8.23%. I held my position. I didn't sell anything on my XRP yesterday, and right now I'm in a cushy space with my position. This position was open at $2.37, or I'm in a cushy space right now where I'm going to let it ride. I believe in XRP long term. This isn't financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I'm doing, because this is my journey that you're invited to come along on. And my goal with this channel, if you're not a subscriber, like, subscribe, share, do all those things. But my goal with this channel is to get this meager account that I started with $800 recently, all the way to 100,000 this year in 2025. So I've got to take some bigger moves and some more risks there, but they're going to be calculated risks. I'm not going to take just dumb, blind degen 100x type things. If you look, I closed one position last night, or this morning, I should say. I had one Cardano ADA position. It was a 20x leverage, and I didn't really feel comfortable that I had enough space in my position to withstand any kind of nonsense today with the CPI data readings. And so this CPI data reading, it could be a real market mover. If it comes in worse than expected, expect cryptos to take a beating. That's my opinion. I could be wrong. If it comes in better than expected, it could be a nice signal that, rate cuts are going to come eventually. So watch the data, pay attention today. Remember, there's a lot of volatility going on. You have 5 days, as they say, till Donald J. Trump, or 4 days till Donald J. Trump, 5 days till Donald J. Trump takes the presidency. And there's going to be 100 executive orders the day he takes over. Probably a lot of them undoing some of the mishaps of the last 4 years, but a lot of them very aggressively in the favor of crypto. So watch out, pay attention, get your bag straight, do what you need to do to protect yourself from the volatility, but also see if there's opportunities for advancement. I will tell you this, if the market takes a beating today, I will open up new positions. If it drops a lot lower, I will put more money in there, more than likely. I'll let you know what I'm doing as it happens, or this afternoon. I've got a lot of things going on today, but as it happens this afternoon or later, if we get crazy, stay tuned, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time.